Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, depending where you're watching from. Yeah, so this is our channel, Mimi Ibe, here again. Yeah, in my last previous video, if you have not watched it, please do where to go and watch the video. I said I'm going to do a top-down analysis on pairs, different pairs. So we got to understand from there some keynotes in order to help us in our trading journey. Yeah, so I did an analysis on the previous one. Actually, if you check down that I did actually on volatility 101s, you can go and check it my the previous video. So I did a top down. If you go now to check your MetaTrader 5, yeah, you'll find that that market is actually still consolidating at that point to show you the analysis was correct. Yeah, so now I want to us to do another top down analysis on this particular pair. I entered this pair yesterday. I was quite busy. I wanted to shoot a video on it when the trade was actually on, but I was very busy and occupied, so I just have to let it go and close the trade and everything. But I'm going to show you where I entered the trade and how everything went in this video. So please, if you are new to this channel, please like, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because I'll be dropping awesome videos like this. I'm also going to be transparent. If any trade did not play out well, I'm going to also come here and tell you plain that it didn't play out well, and maybe we will together will find out how and what made it not to go well. So please like, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, comment below, because I'll be attending to all comments. Drop your comments, your questions. I'll be answering all. So let's dive into the video. Yeah, when you are trading, always do your analysis on a higher time frame. I always do my analysis on a daily. Most time I go down to weekly to do the top down analysis. So this is volatility 101s, as you can see up there, and this is daily time frame. So this was how I draw my analysis before entering that trade. First of all, we go pick our trend line. From here we can see what happened really here. The two touch here, we draw it down to the future, and I see it came in confluence at this particular point. Let me get my, okay, this will be better. So as you can see here, sorry, you can see here, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. So the market went all the way, came back, third touch. The third touch always do the trick. So if you are here, you could have get the trade, but I wasn't there. So came back, touch at this point, another one here. Then to find out with these four touches, now you know that this trend line is a valid trend. So more than two touches makes the trend very valid and strong. The more the touches, the stronger the trend. So as you can see, the market came, this is actually four. So now the market came back here, tested it again, but this time around it broke it, then came back to retest the trend line. So what really happened here is a break and retest. So I got this market at this point, but I'm going to zoom in, but this is not all. So this is just what I saw. The market came, break and retest. This is one. So a second one, our support and resistance, that's our supply and demand major levels, as you can see it here. So you can see the market somewhere here. The market came at this point, there was a push to the upside, a great push, came back still at that point, push, push. So what really happened, it breaks this support, break the trend line, then come back, and this is going to surely form a resistance to this point. This is going to form a resistance. So now we've done our analysis. I just want to make this video really short. So we've done analysis now on the daily. What do? I then go down to a lower time frame to make the confirmation. Okay, as you can see here, this is another thing here. So you can see a support down here again, I guess. Yeah, so you can see this. Sorry about that, my phone is really messy. Yeah, so you can see this happening around here. So we can see the first touch here, second touch here. This is also under this trend line. So if actually, I deal with Fibonacci, but that's really not the case now. So this is just clear, 1 2 3. So you see it's still under the trend here. So this is something we'll also find out and this is all something we always have to check out before entering a trade. So let me zoom in. One, two. So you can see this was actually where I entered this trade at this point here, the second. Then my stop loss was all the way above here. So I left the trade. The trade ran about for about 24 hours. Yes, because it was just, oh, sorry about here, sorry. So the market was just good, was just consolidating. I know it's just gathering momentum to break. So the market actually break. I wasn't there, I wasn't online to start adding position, moving stop loss. I just left. It was later the day I moved my stop loss to break even. So I actually did counter trend here before entering this trade. I did something like this. You all know me, I love trading channels. If you check my previous video, I always trade channels. So I did also this before entering the trade. You know, you have to have more than one complex to make your trade valid. So with this, I moved down to 1 hour time frame. So I checked this. Then at this point, this was actually where I entered my trade. I don't want to make this real messy. I entered my trade somewhere about here, so it came all the way down to here. I wasn't online to keep doing, and this is just the second touch, so I can't determine this is where the market is going to come and push up. But if I want to actually do that, I can draw my Fibonacci from here all the way up to here, and I'm sure it's going to give me something either at 50 level here. But I entered my trade somewhere about here, so the market was just consolidating till break this break counter trade. If I was actually online at that point, I would have added more positions, but that's fine. So I just want to make this video really short. You can go out there, check this with these strategies. Your trend line, number one, support and resistance, that's your supply and demand channel, and you can go there and you make your trade really perfect. So with this, I'm doing a quick down analysis on this. You can actually enter a trade here. This market is going to push down because there's a fair value gaps here. There is a fair value gap, so the market will come to close these gaps here. So the market has tested our zone. This market is going to push down up. If you want to enter this trade, let me make this video real quick. So for anyone that would want to enter this trade, this is what you'll be looking at. So I'm sorry, let me, yeah. So the market is actually at our 23.6. So anybody entering this trade, be expected to take 50% of your profit here. Then if the market grows, take another like 25 or 61, because this is the golden rule. It might reach here and bounce up. Then if it actually break here, bring your stop loss to break even, then bang it all the way to 100% retracement. So this is a quick review. So I just want to educate and enlighten us on what to do and how this trade goes. So please, if this video is quite helpful, please like and subscribe, turn on your bell notification. If there's any way I can improve in this channel, please let me know about it in the comment section below. I'll be dropping my paper ID and the comment also. If you are pleased to support the channel, please go where and support, and may God reward you. So bye for now. That's all. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.